Welcome to the tutorial session on knowing your Flyview with AeroGCS GREEN. To get started, select the plan from the saved project. Upload the plan on the drone by clicking the Load button located on the lower right corner of your screen. Click Takeoff located on the upper left corner of your screen to initiate the flight. After selecting the takeoff icon, you will discover a list of parameters necessary for the spraying mission. AeroGCS GREEN enables users to modify the parameters such as speed, spray rate, altitude, and liquid spray volume in the tank based on their individual requirement. Once values are set, upload the plan and proceed for flying. Upon uploading the plan, users will find flight pre-check parameters displayed on screen. Flight pre-checks will be performed automatically by AeroGCS GREEN. Click OK to proceed with the flight mission. To start the flight, swipe the indicator to the right. During a flight mission, you can monitor all details of the flight like altitude, speed, area covered, distance traveled by a drone, consumed amount of liquid, percentage of remaining liquid, and total time required to complete a mission plan displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen. AeroGCS GREEN enables adjusting the spray pump rate during the flight for more uniform and efficient spraying. Select the drone icon located on top of your screen and slide the indicator on the slide bar. You can monitor battery voltage displayed on the top display bar. This enables users to take corrective action if it drops below the threshold value. Drone can be operated in different modes like auto, guided, loiter, hover, RTL, etc. Users can check the current mode of operation of a drone by clicking the mode icon displayed on the top bar of the screen. Active satellites are required for maintaining the connection between the drone and GCS through GPS. The number of active satellites displayed at the top bar confirms the better connectivity between the drone and GCS. You can monitor connectivity of the drone device by checking the connect icon, which is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen and stays green when there is an active connection with the drone. You can switch from default view to satellite view on the map by clicking on Layers icon. The option Return to Launch, located on the left side of screen, allows the user to terminate the flight before completing the mission in case of an emergency and return to the launch position. In the event of unavoidable circumstances, you can pause the mission by clicking on the pause icon. Upon doing so, the drone will land safely at a designated location, denoted by the letter R on the mission plan. To resume the mission, users can click on the resume icon and the flight will begin again from the point marked as R on the mission plan. This will help to reduce the distance to be traveled by the drone and also avoid the repetition of the mission plan. At the end of the flight mission, a field report will be generated. Users can enter customer name, drone ID, spray volume, total amount, and crop type manually and share it. Thank you for watching AeroGCS GREEN tutorial video.